Meet brothers Karan and Arjun. Born on the same day, went to the same school, had the same friends, got the same job at the same company, and even got married on the same day. Their lives were identical, except Karan started saving for retirement at 25, while Arjun waited till he was 35. A minor difference, right? Wrong. Delaying investing by 10 years cost Arjun at least 24,69,805 rupees. How? Let's assume Karan invested just 1,000 rupees every month for 35 years, that is, until he retired. Assuming he earned a 10% interest on his 4,20,000 investment, his retirement fund would have been worth approximately 37,96,638 rupees. Arjun, however, invested 1,000 rupees every month for 25 years. Assuming he earned a 10% interest, his retirement fund would have been worth approximately 13,26,833 rupees. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, if Arjun was a little smarter, he would have doubled his investment amount and earned as much or more than Karan. Wrong. Even if Arjun had increased his investment amount to 2,000 every month for 25 years, his 6 lakh investment would still have amounted to approximately 26,53,667 rupees. That is approximately 11,42,971 rupees less than Karan's fund. As you can see, Karan invested less and earned more only because he gave his investment time to grow and multiply. Still not convinced that you need to start a retirement fund while earning an entry-level salary? Well then, take a moment and look at our world. You will notice it is unpredictable. Before 2020, could you have imagined that a virus could shut down the whole world? It has disrupted economies, impacted growth, caused countless businesses to permanently close down, and sharply increased the unemployment rate. It has depleted savings, increased personal debt, deflated portfolios, and drastically affected lives, especially for the retired. This is not the first time an unexpected event has disrupted life and impacted personal finances. In 2008, the global recession had a similar effect on the economy, people, lifestyles, and retirement funds. Starting early like Karan is the only potential solution to creating a retirement fund that should be able to handle issues like inflation, medical emergencies, recessions, and even pandemics. How to start a retirement fund? Starting a retirement fund takes 3 simple actions. 1. Examine how much you spend on monthly necessities like groceries, utility bills, EMIs, and entertainment. You will be surprised by how much you spend on drinking coffee at a coffee shop, drinks at clubs, or impulse shopping. Trim off excesses to make room for investments for your future. 2. Set up auto-debit transfers and SIPs to ensure you do not accidentally spend the money you want to save and invest. 3. Increase your investment amount as your income grows to ensure your retirement fund can maintain your enhanced lifestyle. Just remember, Karan and Arjun took the identical actions. The only difference was time. It set them onto different financial paths. So start now and power your retirement fund with time. An investor education and awareness initiative of Aditya Birla Sun Life Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.